understand this mystical term that is JavaScript design patterns? Have you been looking for a way to better understand how to have industry standard best practices in your code? If you have answered yes to any of these questions, you have come to the right course. In this course, we will take a look at the most common patterns in JavaScript and demystify their purpose and some code examples to practice. Hi, welcome to the TechAmy. It will be my pleasure to share my knowledge around this often misunderstood subject. We will first get started with some basic terminologies to get you off the ground. Then we will move on to creational patterns such as singleton and more. Next, we will explore the structural pattern such as mixins and decorators and more. And finally, we will take a look at the behavioral pattern, that is state, observer pattern and more. So if you are ready to master all kind of design patterns in your JavaScript code, grab your favorite editor and let's get started. So what are design patterns exactly? In simple words, it's a way that has been defined as a proper approach to resolve common problems in a code. But if that still doesn't make any sense, so think of how you have learned how to divide two numbers in mathematics. You need to follow a specific pattern to be able to properly get the solution. And the way I divide two numbers or learn it when I was a child actually. So might even be different to how you learned it based on where you have learned it and from and when you have learned it. So everywhere it is a different thing and different solution everyone has. So this is exactly what a pattern is, a way to resolve a problem. In this course, we will focus on patterns that relate to JavaScript. We will look into many different patterns and they are split into three categories basically. First is creational pattern, where these patterns create new things. And second one is structural pattern. Structural patterns are where we use these patterns to structure our code actually. And finally the behavioral pattern, where these patterns are used for behavioral purpose actually. So later on we will see in this course all these three patterns in details. So thank you. See you in the next course. Bye.